What is up, everyone? Welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to TechMan. This tutorial will guide you through the process of permanently deleting your Upwork account, whether you are a freelancer or a client. If you've decided to part ways with the platform, following the straightforward steps will help you remove your account efficiently. First, open your browser and go to the Upwork website. Click on the login button located at the top right corner of the homepage. Enter your credentials like email and password and click Login. Once logged in, click on your profile picture or icon in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the Account tab. Scroll down to find the option labeled Close My Account. You will be prompted to choose a reason for closing your account. Select an appropriate reason from the options provided. Optionally, provide any additional feedback in the text box if you wish. After selecting the reason, click on the Close Account button. You may be asked to confirm your decision again, review any warnings about losing your data, and click Yes to finalize the closure. You have now successfully deleted your Upwork account permanently. Make sure to review the confirmation email for any final notes or steps. If you're considering rejoining Upwork in the future, remember that you will need to create a new account. And if you have any further questions or need assistance, reach out to Upwork support team. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.